So if you want to see how I created this colourful but very dark smoky look, just keep on watching. So I went and I finished my look. I did underneath my eyes. I've of course put on my foundation and my highlight. I really like the way that my nose highlight is looking. I've had to layer it a few times. I used one of my sleek highlighters, so it was like beaming, but it was like a little bit too bright, so I used a powder brush just to bring it down, and then it's like I layered the highlight so it was just the perfect amount of highlight. Otherwise it would have just been like blinding you, literally blinding you right about now. So did that, did my foundation of course, did underneath the eyes. I put on some false lashes, hope you can see, because I know that there's like a lot of black on my lids at the moment. I think that I could have brought the black out a little bit more toward the edges, but I don't want to have too much black covering the colors. I wouldn't normally wear this out. I mean, it's just one of those kind of creative eyeshadow looks that I wanted to do. I think I saw someone do something quite similar, but they kind of blew out the colors. It was a little bit more on the sheer side, and this I wanted to be a little bit more popping a little bit. But yeah, I think I could have done the black a little bit further out. I think it would have looked a bit better. But again, I just didn't want to cover all of the color that I had put down. I wanted it to be showing a little bit. So tell me what you think. Do you like it? Don't you like it? Do you think I should do another variation of it? Let me know your thoughts down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.